It's not a good video, but that's the mama cat and her baby. He's looking for a little nipple. He wants to eat, but she kicks him away. Let's see if she'll do it again. These cats are like 4, 5 months old. Hi, Jerry. What you doing? Hey, Dad. And I can't go out there. They'll run off. Oh my God, I can't believe this. He is a big boy. And that's her other child at the end of her tail. Aw. Stupid kitty. You're so silly. And this is Jerry. Hi, Mr. Jerry. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Mr. Jerry. Isn't he pretty? He's a pretty baby. He doesn't care to be. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Now he's on. The cat's on the chair. That cat's gonna just bug her big time. And he's the only one that wants to do that. They're so silly.